Is it just enough to brush at home once a day and that's it before you go to sleep? No, you have to brush. How do you brush? You think you know it? Maybe you do, but I'm gonna go over it anyways. So now we're gonna show a demo on how to brush properly. And this right here is my patient. This is Dr. Kaveh. He's actually my patient. He used to be my roommate, and he's a great guy. He's been my patient for a while, and we're gonna show you on him how the correct brushing technique is. There's 4 parts in the mouth, 4 quadrants. You're gonna hold it not straight. You're not gonna go back and forth like this, okay? You're gonna grab it, make it about 45 degrees angle, okay? So some of these bristles are actually gonna go inside the gum and do it in a circular motion, okay? And you do this about 30 seconds on each quadrant. So the outside for about 30 seconds and the inside. That's not where it ends. You also have to brush your tongue. Don't forget, you brush your tongue for a few seconds, make sure all the germs, as much as you can, is out. No food is left in your tongue, because your tongue is a nice food trap. You don't want the food to stay in your tongue when you go to sleep. Your toothbrush is gonna be filled with all the bad bugs and bad food, and it's gonna get tough, it's gonna get old. You gotta change it. You can't keep using it for a year or 2 years. You're not saving money. You gotta get yourself sensitive teeth. You gotta throw that toothbrush out after 3 or 4 months. Grab a new one. It's not that expensive, I know it.